So a solution is a homogeneous mixture, but it does not just have to be a liquid. We often think like salt water, sugar water, that's a solution. But it could be, solid or gas as well. The solvent, I like to think of the V in solvent for dissolver. It's the thing you have the most of. And the solute is anything that gets dissolved, anything you have lesser amounts of. All right, so here are a few solutions. Not all are liquids. Air, we just mentioned. The solvent would be nitrogen. The largest component of air is nitrogen. Again, assuming this is some sort of like, air in a room where it actually is a homogeneous mixture and I don't have any like source of pollution or anything. But the solvent would be nitrogen. Everything else in it would be a solute. What's the state? Solid, liquid, gas? Gas. Okay. Carbonated water. Good. Clearly a liquid. The carbonation of CO2 is sort of the solute there. Rubbing alcohol, you buy in the store, is a liquid. The main component, of course, is the alcohol, but it's never 100% alcohol. It's usually like 70%. So the rest would be water. And the last one is a solid. So two easy solutions we kind of refer to a lot would be salt water, sugar water. So imagine you just have some sugar water, like Kool-Aid or something. What is a solvent? The water. The solute would be the sugar. How about instant coffee? There's probably a lot of things in instant coffee, but what is the one thing that's the solvent? The water, okay. Anything else? The instant coffee itself, sugar, if you put cream in it, that's all going to be a solute. I want to talk about concentrated and dilute for just a moment. Have you ever read on the bottom of your orange juice, made from concentrate? Yes. Or occasionally, not made from concentrate?
Mine's always made from concentrate.
Perhaps you have noticed on the orange juice, sometimes it says made from concentrate, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it says not made from concentrate. What does that even mean, from concentrate?
Large quantity of solute.
Okay, but how does that relate to the orange juice? Go ahead.
Like they take some of the water out of it and they freeze it, and then
The amount of cold.
they dilute it later when they make it into a gel.
Not that they dilute it later, they
add more water.
Yeah. Okay, so where are most of our oranges grown? Florida. Okay, so let's say somebody in Alaska wants some orange juice. I'm sure they drink orange juice up there. No? But to ship orange juice up to Alaska is expensive because orange juice mainly is water. All of our juice is mainly water, and water is heavy. So in Florida, they harvest the oranges, make their orange juice, but then they do take out the water from the orange juice, take out a lot of the water, ship it up to Alaska, and then in factories up there, they add the water back in again. So it's made from concentrated orange juice. The concentrated part would be when the water is removed. And maybe you've even bought the like freezer packs of orange juice, that, and then you add your own water. Same exact thing. It's cheaper. All right, so answer me this question. If I have sugar water, for whatever reason, I just love to go home after school and make some sugar water and drink it, how could I make that sugar water more concentrated? What are two ways I can make that sugar water more concentrated? Blake, give me one.
Add water.
No.
Add, not water, sugar. Add more sugar, or Chase.
You can like boil the water.
Good. Or boil off some of the water, evaporate some of the water. So you either remove the water or add more sugar. Okay, dissolving rates. Shh. Now, since I just love my glass of sugar water after school, but I ran out of the powdered sugar and I've only got sugar cubes. How can I make the sugar cubes dissolve faster?
You can put it in a meter. a meter thing.
A meter.
Shake it up.
Mortar and pestle.
Mortar
Stir it.
thing. Shake it up.
Stir it.
All right, crush it, stir it, shake it,
Melt it.
heat it, punch it.
Chew it up and spit it back in. That works.
All right, the crush it is correct. The fancier science way of saying crush it is to provide more surface area. If you take a sugar cube and you cut it in half, well, that's 2 more surfaces that are now exposed. Cut it in half again, more surfaces are exposed. So provide more surface area. That's crush it. In fact, let's put that. In parentheses. Crush it.
Fish. Fish.